Hey guys, welcome back to WebDevMentors YouTube channel, and you're watching JavaScript series for beginners. Well, we've seen about strings and numbers in JavaScript. It's about time to see about Boolean in JavaScript. Well, if you have seen in other programming languages, Boolean is nothing but true and false. Some of the languages still handle them through zeros and ones. So true or false can also mean that 1 and 0. So true is 1 and 0 is false. So yeah, I think it's still there in JavaScript, but I'm not 100% sure. Yep, alert underscore boolean is equal to true. Once again, be sure that I'm not using codes around these things. So if you use codes, then that means it's a string, not a boolean value. So don't use it codes, codes around single codes or double codes around your true or false, and then say like, okay, it's not working. Well, because it is a string, not a boolean. So try to identify the differences between a string and then a boolean. So this is what it is. So how to actually output a boolean? So it's exactly the same way. I'm just going to use it in here in the alert message and then try to reload. You can see that true is there. So it's pretty much doing the same thing as a string does, isn't it? Now we will be seeing the importance of boolean only through the conditional statements. If loop, okay, if else, not now. Now the difference between a normal boolean and the zeros and ones will be very evident when you're getting some kind of count and you are using them in your conditional statements. That is where your zeros and ones comes in really handy. Now instead of using true or false, true and false, you can use the number values 0 or 1. Okay, so 0 and 1, if whatever it is. 0 means false, so if you get a count like 0, then it means false, and 1 means true. So they're still Boolean values. They can also be integer values, so you can use it for multiple purposes. So it becomes tricky at times, but if you're setting 0 as a number, then the comparison still stands like it might be a number, it might be a boolean, which is a false. So while writing, you have to keep this in your mind, and JavaScript just makes the justification properly if you have done it properly in your JavaScript code. So or else don't bring the confusion inside, just use true and false. Simple enough. So I'm just telling you that even 0 will stand for false as well, and 1 for true. So you'll be seeing that in the if conditionals, if, else if, and else conditionals. So we'll be seeing that in action. This is just a small introduction about the Boolean, the Boolean type in JavaScript. So don't worry. Now, there's nothing much to cover in Boolean unless you have, something that goes beyond the limits, that comes in a complex way, like it falls into multiple conditionals. Then true, false are really very important. So let's see them later in this series. Well, that's the end of this video. It's a Boolean values true and false has been covered in this. So thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like button and also hit the share button as well to share the video, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel. The subscribers are really important for the channel. And also, if you have any kind of comments, issues, feedbacks, or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section, or you can contact me through the Facebook page, Twitter feed, or Google Plus page. You can find the links for them in the description section of this video. Keep watching the series, guys. Let's see you in the next video. See ya.